Part number 6, Materials and Durability, has 2 chapters. Chapter 19 of the code specifies concrete properties and durability requirements. Chapter 20 of the code specifies the requirement of non-pre-stressed bars, wires, pre-stressing strands, structural steel pipes and tubes, and headed shear stud reinforcement. Part number 7, Strength and Serviceability, has 4 chapters. Chapter 21 of the code specifies strength reduction factors to be used in the design. Chapter 22 of the code deals with flexural strength, axial strength, combined flexural and axial strength, one-way shear strength, two-way shear strength, torsional strength, and the bearing and shear friction of the concrete structural elements. Chapter 23 of the code specifies the strut and tie models of concrete structural elements. Chapter 24 of the code specifies the serviceability requirement of concrete structural elements, including deflection, distribution in steel, in one-way slabs and beams, shrinkage and temperature reinforcement, and permissible stresses in pre-stressed concrete. Part number 8, Reinforcement, has chapter 25, which specifies the reinforcement details. Part number 9, Construction Documents and Inspection, has only chapter 26, Construction Documents and Inspections. A free scheme for you guys. Construction documents are crucial for a design engineer to ensure that an efficient, economical, and safe structure is built according to the construction schedule. An engineer may produce an excellent analysis and design, but if the documentation is incorrect or inadequate, issues may develop on site. This may result in delays and order revisions by contractor, which in many situations leads to conflict. Last but not the least, Part 10, Strength Evaluation of Existing Structures, has only chapter 27. So congrats, you just got familiar how the code is presented as a whole. Upcoming videos will discuss individual topics in detail. Thank you very much.